Hey everybody, welcome to Go for Green Living, and this is a beautiful place to be next to baby coconut trees and the beach and the ocean and a beautiful woman, of course, beside me, yes. But we have been bringing y'all some exciting videos lately, and so we're not going to stop now. We're going to bring you this one exciting, and I got my notes, of course. But this one is beach fun. I mean, we're living on the beach, so you know, have we been to the beach? We go to the beach every day, right? Yeah, we go to the beach every day. We don't necessarily lay out, but we're a lot darker than we were. We do lay out some, but not. The gibble's just like, I'm not even gonna include her in this. I mean, it's just, it was I tried to move it back and it just, no, quit. Leave me alone. I don't want everything blushing face over there. You know. We love to walk and pick up shells and we find these different stones and rocks, and you know that the sea has put holes through and all that. We've been putting them on necklaces, which will tie together later with Yucatan puppies. But y'all seen that video, which is cool. But the first thing I want to tell you about is that Go for Green Living, the website. It's up and operational and going. I know there's not a lot of people that know about it, but Rut, her and her genius self, has got the website up and going. So now you can, all the products for Go for Green Living, you just go there and you click on it. And it's about building community, so we have a lot of community products on there. Speaking of communities, there's a special video that's it's all our bloopers. All our bloopers we've been making. You know, like we're making a hammock video for, you know, of course we're going to offer hammocks on the website, and we're making a hammock video, and she goes to sleep. The hammock's so comfortable she just goes to sleep.
It's really kickback here in Mexico. Very chill.
Yeah,
you know,
very
ask
chill.
me to model in a hammock, you know, and he goes and does something. Of course I will fall asleep.
Yes. Well, I was getting the setup area ready, you know, and then we try to take some in the outside hammocks, and dogs are just biting her on the butt, you know. They're just playing, loving, not
they
really.
Dip my butt in the hammock.
Yes.
This is like the hammock bloopers.
Yes, the hammock
and
bloopers.
you're not allowed to do the one where I fall out.
Yeah. Well, she says I ain't allowed to do the one that fall out. There it is. One that she fall out.
But we are having a good time here.
Yes. But speaking of community, yes, we're our Patreon channel. Y'all could go over there and check out the Patreon videos that we have there. We're going to try to put one up about once a week. And plus, being a patron, one of our patrons, you get discounts on everything, like the hammocks that you automatically get $25 out just being a patron. That video up and coming. Soon, up and coming. Hammock video.
Yes, to Hacienda near you.
To Hacienda near you.
You can put that out.
To Hacienda near you.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, to Hacienda near you, you know, and of course you'll understand. They hammocks here are a very big deal. They're that's people's, you know, a house for them, you know, a hammock.
They sleep in there.
They sleep in there.
Older people sleep in there. They actually have family hammocks where they just toss the whole family in. Yes. And they're like all over the place. Just around us, behind us there's hammocks. And it's actually kind of like a transportable bed sofa.
Yes.
And
very lightweight. Good for preppers, you know, bug out people, bug out bags, very lightweight.
Could be perfectly much after in the books.
Yes.
It's good for the back.
But speaking of the website, all the month of December, we're actually offering a promo code. and this promo code is for 10% off. But you go there and you click on the item, and then they'll ask for the promo code. Guess what it is?
The code is promo.
The code is promo. So just put in promo, and you get 10% off any of the products listed there. I mean, there's coffee coming soon, salt, smoked salt, all kinds of stuff that it's up and coming. Hola. Oh, and of course, don't forget, y'all help support these Yucatan puppies. We just had some big bloopers with it.
Yes.
Yeah, they're very loving dogs, and they have definitely accepted us as part of the pack. And
they're very loving right now because they're in heat and stuff.
yeah.
I didn't notice. Oh my gosh, I was going on the beach and I was like playing with them as usual. And then they got really excited, really excited to see me. And I was like in this dog pile with a lot of excited dogs, Just one of those moments where I just realized, oh no.
Yeah, go get
So
a room.
I kind of went for a walk with them instead, just to get the attention off from the excitedness. That was so embarrassing. They love me. Oh, here she is. Hi, Macarena.
Yes.
Baby.
Yeah, the dogs.
Oh, here's another one. Yes. Yes, here they are. This is the lover boys. Yes. Rosie. Boys. Yes.
Ouch! It's been in our arm. Okay.
Yes, these are my lovers. Yes. Okay. That's a good. Okay.
Okay. All right. So yeah, y'all go support the Yucatan puppies. They have a PayPal link directly.
Yes, they do.
Or you can go to our website and purchase one of their necklaces. And we've been buying a bunch of their necklaces and supporting them. So you buy one of them necklaces, you're supporting them too. So we're just going to enable them to ship them to the States and all that so we can get there, because I'm going to send them right to the States. So there you go. So they can get it right to you. We do have some very good upcoming videos. We have our question and answers. We have everything that is going on with us in the question and answer and all that. And
We have food. We have papa fritas.
oh,
So these are French fries, and they are with some kind of ketchup,
some kind of ketchup.
and of course lime. You have to have lime with the papa fritas.
Of course, she got her a beer.
Dark beer, and they're like, "You want dark beer?" And
Yes,
they
you
were
want
like,
dark
"Oh,
beer?"
you want bohemia?" She wants bohemia. I actually told somebody on the way. Ooh. And he came back to ask, "Do you want clear, or like white or dark?" And they're like, "Dark because that's the only thing he likes." What is that?
It's a root or something.
Oh, it's a root.
It's a root. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. We probably got plenty of good footage of talking to y'all.
So sorry about that food thing.
Yeah, they came in and she got the French fries. And anyway, guys, we love you, and we will catch you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed the footage, because I really enjoyed shooting it. Remember, go check out our website, support the You Can Hunt Puppies, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications when we do post a video, so you'll know what it is. What else? The Patreon, and go see that video on Patreon. It only costs $1. Alright, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.
אנחנו אוהבים אתכם.
Later, guys.